Hey there, pioneers! Here's how you can get the Habitat Builder in Subnautica 2. You can easily get this and start building your base early. You need to craft a scanner first. When you already have it, jump down to the water and starting from the front of your life pod, dive down a bit and face 150 degrees southeast. You'll see some ruined structures in the distance. Approach it and you'll find that it's the Welcome Center. Keep swimming until you find the entrance. Just outside the entrance, beside the Welcome Center sign, you'll find a destroyed safe, and inside of it is a broken Habitat Builder. This is where you use the scanner by aiming at the broken device and scanning it with right-click. Wait for the scan to complete, then proceed inside the Welcome Center. Inside the main room, you'll find this piece of metal salvage. Pick it up to reveal a hidden cave entrance. Swim down below, and beside the oxygen tunic is another Habitat Builder. Scan the final piece, and you'll unlock the blueprint for the Habitat Builder. Now return to your life pod to craft it, then you can finally start building your base. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.